Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and unban a Telegram number? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. There's only one way to go ahead and do so. To unban a Telegram number, appeal directly to Telegram support by emailing recover@telegram.org. I'm going to say that again, recover@telegram.org, or using their support form, which is telegram.org/support, telegram.org/support. You need to be explaining you were likely reported for spam by others but didn't violate rules. Provide your number with country code, email, and name, and patiently await review, as this is the official method for resolving bans from spam reports or policy violation. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.